Begin by supporting the rear differential. Then remove the 2 bolts securing your differential to the back of the subframe. Some models only have 1 bushing and 1 bolt to remove. Coat the legs of the insert with the provided grease. Then slide them into the bushings. These are one-time use bolts, so it is recommended to replace them when doing this install. They can be purchased from your local Ford dealer with the part number listed here. If your Explorer has had the recall bushing installed by Ford, the torque sequence will differ. For the recall bushing, it is 100 Nm plus an additional 100 degrees for both the single and double bushing variants. For the non-recall bushing, both single or double variant, tighten the bolts to 200 Nm. On the 2 bushing model, the left insert will stick out further than the right insert. This is normal. Your installation is now complete.